We got John Schaefer with us again today, keeping it safer with Schaefer. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right. Word you hear constantly now, bundling.
Yeah.
What is bundling?
So bundling is grouping your home, auto, umbrella. You've got, ATV, you've got motorcycle, boat, all that stuff. Bundling your policies together to get the best discount. That's what we're going to talk about today.
How's it work? Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to talk about that, but also I want to talk about the cold weather and how we have to bundle up this cold weather we've been having here in the Ozarks. So, so it's a bundling day today. So, how does it work? So what you do is you've got your home insurance,
right,
and you try to pair it with your auto insurance. And then with that bundle, you get a discount for getting those together at the same company.
Under one carrier?
Under one carrier, yeah.
Okay.
So simple, what we do is we just gather your information, shop your insurance, and we try to bundle those two things together. Also, this happened to me the other day. I had a customer come in, and I could add an umbrella policy, and by bundling the home and the auto and the umbrella, it saved them enough money on the home and auto to pay for the umbrella policy. So they got a free $1 million policy to protect themselves.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. And you are the ones who can shop around to find the best deal.
Yeah. And so we, you can lower premiums up to 30% depending on, the customer. And then what, if they have any tickets or accidents, it really depends on that.
Yeah.
So.
Well, saving 30% on anything, that's a good chunk of change you can save.
So one of the, there's some drawbacks of bundling. You're less likely to shop around, which that's a good thing because maintain that insurance. I always tell my customers, stay there 2 or 3 years because every year you don't want to shop and move every year.
Right.
You lose that longevity. If you have a claim on your house, they may deny that claim because, hey, that's not on us. That was a year ago.
True.
So yeah,
true.
you don't want to do that.
But that doesn't mean you should ignore your policy.
That's right.
You
right.
still pay attention, like touch bases with you anyway.
Right. And then also, bundling may not be available. Sometimes it may be you had an accident with this auto policy, but we can put your home over there.
Right.
But with us being an independent agent, what we can do is we can still bundle it in-house and give you a discount, auto discount on the home over here with this one company we've got. So you're still getting a bundled rate. It just depends. That's why we shop around with our companies that we have and get you the best rate out there.
That's the plus of having an independent agent.
Yeah. So biggest thing I always tell people is know your policy, know the policy limits, know how much you pay, know your deductibles, especially this time of year.
Yeah.
Frozen pipes, we've got all kinds of ice falling. We got to make sure and know your deductibles. A lot of people don't even know their insurance policy limits at all.
True.
That's why it's always good to call your agent, maybe walk through it once a year, make sure that you got the right cars insured, the right deductibles, and then have that talk. Also, just like I said, stay in contact with your agent. That's a big thing.
Well, I mean, through the years, you've told me things about, you can move your deductible around, and that can save you money right there. Now, bundle it. Can you bundle almost anything? I mean, I guess you just tend to think of home and auto.
Oh, yeah. We can bundle, like I said, your boat, you got your ATV, your UTV. If you got a moped, we can even bundle it, or a golf cart. I insure golf carts.
Really?
Yeah. So they're about $100 a year, especially I think this day and age, all these HOAs.
Yes.
And I know in the city of Nixa, you have to have insurance and get a permit from the city.
Yeah.
So that's another thing.
So there are a lot of different ways. And of course, this is why we've talked, so many times, is because having an independent agent can take you, you do all the groundwork for me.
That's right. Yeah. So, the biggest thing is just, reach out to me. I can shop that insurance. I can give you different points of view. Like, hey, we can move your auto here, your home here. We can bundle them together, get your boat over here. And then it's always great to have that bundled rate because you're going to get bigger discounts versus if you've got a policy with me, you've got a policy over here across town with another guy, and you got your home somewhere else.
All right.
So
they want to get in touch. How do they do it?
So all they got to do is you can either call me, 417-766-4689, or you can get your camera out, scan that QR code. That gets a direct link to me, and we can quote you. Just simple as can be.
All right. Let him do the footwork for you.
Yeah. Don't stay frozen out there. Call me.
That's right. Keep it safer with Schaefer.